There we go. I have my full new webcam. Although my last one had some connection problems. Now I just hold that random statue guy who hates cheese doesn't come up again. I wonder how one of my best friends is doing.
Hello, Mr. Doggy. One sec.
Oh, hello.
One sec. Let me just update my files again.
Okay.
There you go. Harriet, I'm having a party later. Wanna come?
Oh, sorry, I'm busy, you see.
Well, there's 54 parties in a day, so...
Yeah, well, I don't want to get run over, so...
There's no beer there, so...
Well, we don't. How do the humans expect it?
The humans aren't going to be there. It's at the dog stadium, stupid.
But I heard that's where some dog managers are. They'll be surprised to see that we're doing
The
that.
dog managers are dogs.
They're actually humans. Have you read the news?
No, I only read one news bit at a time, like 5 seconds.
Well, can I just tell you something?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. How would you feel right now if the humans were actually seen on us torting? Torting animals? I knew it! I knew it! Oh. Well, you know, something like that.
Yeah, one sec, let me just go and get some tartar sauce.
I hate tartar sauce.
I love it.
You know, there's that random statue guy again. He seems to hate everything.
That's okay.
I hate you. Live with it. I hate you.
I seem to hate everything he says.
I hate everything you say.
He's boring, isn't he? Let's look off.
I hate boring. Oh, but I just updated this. Besides, I need to talk to Mr. Fine. Okay.
Bye bye.
See you, how are you doing? Well, it's just me, Mr. Dotty. I hate you.
I hate you more.
I'm logging off.
I'm not enough.
No, I will first.
No, I will first.
Oh, man, she logged off. I wonder how Mrs. Statue is doing. Wait a minute, you're a boy.